Welcome to the third and final part of our walking tour. Today, we explore the Misasani Peninsula, the vibrant modern heart of Dar es Salaam's coastal life. We begin at Coco Beach, the city's most iconic public shoreline. Recently transformed, it's a place where the city comes to breathe. On any given afternoon, you'll find a vibrant mix of families, joggers, and street food vendors serving up local favorites like cassava chips. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The new infrastructure here reflects a city on the move, blending functional modern design with the natural beauty of the coast. Moving inland into Masaki and Oyster Bay, we enter the city's premier upscale district, home to diplomats and historic enclaves. This area is a hub for international schools and embassies, where high-walled villas hide behind flowering bougainvillea. Next, we reach the Slipway. Once a working shipyard, it's now a premier urban waterfront destination for shopping and leisure. The souk offers a curated bazaar feel, housing shops that showcase the very best of made-in-Tanzania craftsmanship. From silver jewelry to colorful fabrics, it's a celebration of local artisans who bridge traditional techniques with modern design. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. The Slipway is also our gateway to the islands. Motor dhows depart regularly for the marine reserves of Bongoyo and Pangavini. Heading to the northernmost tip of the peninsula, we reach Sea Cliff, where the land drops dramatically into the sea. The views here are some of the city's most breathtaking, a perfect spot to watch the dhows return as the sun begins to set. At the Karambezi Cafe, you can enjoy the ocean breeze and the freshest seafood while taking in the endless horizon. Modern life on the peninsula is defined by this blend of tropical leisure and a fast-paced cosmopolitan energy. The iconic Tanzanite Bridge stands as a symbol of this evolution, a modern masterpiece that has redefined the city's skyline. From a quiet fishing village to a global hub, Misasani is a microcosm of the modern Tanzanian dream. Our journey through the House of Peace ends here. From the historic harbor to these vibrant shores, Dar es Salaam is a city like no other. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.